Solomon, what are we doing? You got your orange sweatshirt on? We're at my office. What does that mean? We're here to ride what?
Over here.
Yep.
Oh.
And it is hot in here. Air conditioner don't work, buddy. Alright, let's go in. Oh, it feels good in the air conditioner. You want to hit two?
Daddy.
You want me to hit two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah!
There we go. Me and Solomon.
Ah!
Yep, riding elevators. What kind of elevator is this, Solomon?
Two.
No, what is it? Otis, that's right. You want to get out?
Yeah.
You want to go down?
One.
You want to go to one? Solomon's not too happy because I just made him walk at the walking track for about 30 minutes. He wanted to come here first, didn't you? What was that about? That's why you still mad about it? You gonna go up the stairs?
Yeah.
You wanna sit down?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yeah.
You wanna go to the floor too?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna walk down the stairs in a second, okay?
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Go downstairs?
Yeah.
Why not? Just wanna keep riding the elevator?
Yeah. E.
Go down?
No. Yeah.
Alright, we'll go down.
No.
We're kind of tired today, aren't we, buddy? Alright, let's walk up the stairs.
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna sit down. Nope, we're gonna walk up the stairs. Keep on walking. Your shoes have got stuff all over them, buddy. Well, I guess so do mine. Keep walking. All right, let's go ride the elevator again. It's so hot in it. All right, hit the button. I like how you're waiting. You're doing a good job. Let's go get in the cool elevator. It's climate controlled. Alright, we'll ride it down, and then we'll ride it up, and then we'll be done, okay?
Yeah. No. No.
Yeah, we'll ride it up. We just went down. We'll go back up. Eyeball. You want me to see my eyeball?
Yeah.
See your eyeball. Alright, door's gonna open. Then we're gonna end it, okay? Alright.
Well.
Say bye-bye.
Ah!
sidewalk.
Yeah.
How about